At W.P. Franklin Lock and Dam, storm control must hold when the rest of the region is preparing to shelter. On July 29, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers completed a Category 5 rated control building after a troubled delivery history. This is AI for EPC, the risk, the control, and the proof needed at the operational boundary. The new building replaces aging infrastructure at the westernmost structure on the Okeechobee Waterway. USACE says the facility supports navigation and water management during extreme weather, and provides a safe place for operators who may need to remain on site before, during, and after a hurricane. The delivery risk is easy to misread. It is not only whether a new building looks complete. The failure boundary is the chain from hurricane exposure, to a safe operating room, to communications and real-time control of flows and vessel movements. If that chain breaks, a finished structure may still fail its mission. USACE reports that the original contractor was terminated for default, followed by a surety takeover, redesign, and resolution of structural deficiencies. That sequence is the delivery lesson. Recovery is not complete when work restarts. It is complete when the replacement solution is verified against the mission it must protect. For an EPC manager, the control is a recovery to operations release gate. Bind the approved redesign, structural inspection records, storm resilience evidence, communications checks, and operator shelter readiness to one accountable decision. Do not release the asset on appearance or schedule alone. The proof question is concrete. Can the team keep the waterway controlled while severe weather changes the operating conditions? The evidence should connect the building's hardened envelope to safe occupancy, communications, and the procedures that let operators make timely adjustments. That is a testable control chain, not a resilience slogan. AI for EPC could connect the recovery register, inspection record, communications check, and operations release into one exception view. If a required proof item is missing, the next work package stays on hold for review. That is a conditional control pattern, not a claim that AI is deployed at W.P. Franklin Lock. The takeaway from W.P. Franklin is simple. A recovery milestone matters when it closes the operational risk, not merely the construction scope. Name the failure boundary, assign the control, and require proof before release. Follow AI for EPC for the next evidence-bound EPC delivery decision.